did you shoot everybody in the house? And his answer was, because they were home.
The killer is a member of the Crips.
Real Crips, Compton.
In their gangland world, soldiers kill without a second thought.
And you know who the I am, and I'm coming to get you.
Anytime you have a 13-year-old who can blow your brains out and go home and play a video game like nothing happened, there's something wrong.
South Central LA is the battleground.
I don't challenge LA. I don't test LA because I'm Ice-T. A 15-year-old kid will kill me for a reputation.
It's a lifestyle lived without rules.
Real Crip.